So, hello, once again, I'm back, streaming on Kick service and recording locally, but this time not on MacBook Air 2012 running Endeavour OS, not on MacBook Pro 2012 running Void Linux. Instead, I'm on one of my other older machines, not as old. It's an Alienware laptop. I will show you the exact model and specifications in the terminal pretty soon. But yeah, and it's running MX Linux, sysvinit, or however it's pronounced, version of it. And even for MX Linux 25, you're going to see more information soon on the terminal. I have already prepared it and zoomed in, I think, good enough in order for you to be able to see, either on the stream or later on the video on my YouTube channel. And we are quite lucky, I must say, because not long ago Debian had their release, I think it was a month ago or two maybe, and then MX Linux had the latest release around 20th of January this year. Anyway, one moment. Okay, and here it is. So yeah, the system is an Alienware m17 R5 AMD based. It is running MX 25.1 Infinity, and it doesn't say here. I thought it said here. Anyway, it's XFCE again, X11. And the system has a CPU AMD Ryzen 9, this exact model here that it says. And the GPU, I'm using the discrete GPU. I have disabled the integrated one. And also it has 32 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabyte SSD. It's connected via Wi-Fi and it doesn't have battery. The battery is damaged a long time ago, and yeah, and I need you to see the Debian version. I think I can show you that from About XFC. Give me a moment. Okay, here it is. This one I cannot zoom in without messing with the system, and it's Debian 13, the release version 13, otherwise known as Trixie. So yeah, I haven't messed enough with the system, just moved the title bar buttons on the left side as I like to have, you know, like the close button, minimize, maximize buttons, etc. And then I had of course set the dark theme and all that. Otherwise the system, it's like we have lots of work to do, let me put it this way. And it's although people call this system midweight, I think it's like not fully loaded, but not pure or clean as maybe an Arch Linux installation or Void Linux installation. It has plenty of packages and utilities, programs, etc. basically to use. Already it came with them, and I even installed few extras that I need for myself. For example, it had Firefox as default browser, and I installed Vivaldi because this is my default browser moving forward, as I had said the other time. And as you can see, it lacks my own customizations in general. I don't have my keyboard shortcuts, my themes, nothing. So in the future, in the near future, we will be building this system together, just like we did the other ones. I don't have my scripts here, nothing. It's like basic install and basic few tricks here and there, like set up the OBS, and even that it's not like I want it to be. And yeah, things that I liked, the system is like of course very snappy, very fast. On this hardware it's like no problem at all, like nothing, no sweat. And it has few things that I don't like that much. For example, here it's some kind of a widget, this one, and some desktop icons. All these things for me it's like some kind of an old Mac OS system, like 90s or early 2000s, like if you remember these things, Confabulator widgets for example, and later on other companies and other operating systems copied. Anyway, yeah, lots of work to be done with this system to make it like I want it to be. But it has a very solid foundation. It has like everything that I need and more. So not just me, I think almost everyone, and even XFCE, they announced the other day that they will make it compatible, fully compatible with Wayland. So even those who prefer to use X11, in the not so distant future they will be able to use their favorite X11 apps, etc. And desktop environment, XFCE of course, without any issues in Wayland. So yeah, I think this was it for today. I will not bother you, I will not bore you, I will not keep you any longer. It's a good first video for this system. Before I will go, I will show you once again. This is the default terminal as you install the system. This is how it appears on this resolution. The screen is 4K actually. And this is its fast fetch, and I will zoom it a bit for you. And just a reminder, as always, I'm trying to use the system as it is, like built-in camera, built-in microphone. I will not try to add things if not needed. I'm not sure, for example, if the Ethernet slot works. I will try it and make sure that I will let you know on the next video, next stream. And the only thing that I'm using, it's a mouse that I have connected. I have tried both my wireless and wired mice, sorry, and both of them work no problem with the system. So yeah, this video was all about an introduction on this system, an Alienware m17 R5 AMD running MX25.1 Infinity. It doesn't say here, but it's the SysVinit version, and also XFCE and X11. And also the system has AMD CPU, this one, Ryzen 9 6900AX, and I'm using just the AMD Radeon RX 6800M, the discrete graphics GPU. The integrated I have disabled. And the RAM of the system, it's 32 gigabytes, and the SSD is 2 terabytes. So yeah, this was it. Thanks for watching, thanks for keeping me company, and see you on the next one. Bye!